Morning everyone, Benderman here with Futures Trader Elite. We're going to do a little NQ pre-market prep this morning. Of course, the market is down quite a bit from yesterday's high, about 800, 750, 800 points, something like that. As you can see, I got this on the 15-minute chart right now with the fibs pulled from the low of last month, like July 1st, I believe. And on this 15-minute, you can see right now we've come down and found some support around that 61.8 area. Going to be curious to see how it reacts to the 61.8 or if we're going to keep bleeding off. Since we got it on the 15-minute, we're going to go get us a ray. That way we can draw us a 15-minute trend line across here. It's a pretty good pullback. More than pretty good, but we got some more zones. There's a zone box just below that 61.8 and then one just below the 76.4 fib. We're coming into a whole lot of support down in this area. I mean, you can see right here where we had chopped around in these two zones for quite a bit of July there before it finally started rising again. So I would really expect if it don't bounce off this 61.8 fib, this zone box right here under it or the one below that. So you're looking at another we're at about 100 right now. Top of this box is 17 and then 22,980. Or we could be looking at another 102 points to the downside. I don't know. We got news coming out this morning, so at least I believe we do. And we'll see how the market reacts to that. If we break this box right here, which is at 22,839, at say 840, like if we break it, not just overshoot it where these wicks are down here, but break that box. We're coming on down. There's a good chance we're coming down to 620, 600, 620, several more 100 points. I'm really hoping that ain't the case, but after the way it pretty much bled off all day yesterday, we just had to wait and see what all kind of news is out there. If breaks that box, I mean, another couple 100 points possibly, and we know it can happen. I mean, we're down 800 points or so, or 750 from yesterday's high, so nothing is out of the window that could happen today, but I'm hoping to see some turnaround. We'll see what we get. We'll go down and look at this on the 5-minute real quick and see if there's anything else we can see a confluence of price anywhere. So right here, we're coming up to this trend line. If we can get up here and bust to this trend line right here, then of course we can target this zone here, which would be 50% fib, and then this is a 50% fib. If we can get back above that, ideally we could get back up here, chop around on top of that 50% fib, maybe before the market opens right here around 340, we got structure break. So what we would like to see for sure is it get up here to this 50% fib, even if it goes up here and stalls out a little bit, bounces around, maybe in this zone, while it builds up some momentum or support to take off to the upside. We break this structure. We got that news coming out today. I would say if we break that, which is around 340, we might be able to look at 480, 490, 500 right up in this area to attack if it breaks here. Of course, you see we got a golden pivot point right there. So if we do break structure right here, you know, depending on how you're trading MNQ or NQ and can let them ride, you might use this pivot point right here as one of your take profit zones, maybe just below it. You know, you don't have to catch the whole move. And then see where we go from there, although the market could change a lot before it even opens here in pre-market. So just wanted to touch base on some of that. If you have any questions or want me to go over anything else, like and subscribe. Just send me a message or an email.